Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to review an exciting opportunity for aspiring woodworkers and entrepreneurs. It's all about WoodProfits, a comprehensive guide that claims to help you start and run a successful woodworking business from home. So, let's dive into the details and see if it lives up to its promises. In this review, we'll explore WoodProfits, a woodworking business guide presented by Jim Morgan, a carpentry enthusiast with his own successful home-based woodworking business. The guide claims to provide step-by-step instructions on how to start a woodworking business with minimal capital and turn your passion into profits, all while enjoying more time with your family. Jim Morgan highlights a unique selling point: you don't need to be a professional carpenter or own expensive machinery to succeed in this business. The key is knowing what to sell, to whom, and where to sell it. The guide promises to reveal the secrets of identifying profitable items, finding the right target audience, and choosing the best-selling locations. One of the major advantages of WoodProfits is its emphasis on low-risk entrepreneurship. Jim Morgan claims that starting a profitable woodworking business is less risky and easier than one might think. You won't need to invest heavily in expensive tools or equipment. He shares his personal story of starting his own business in a small 10 by 20 feet workshop with minimal resources and yet managed to make over $150,800 in sales in the first year. The guide covers a range of topics essential for success, including marketing strategies to reach potential customers beyond word of mouth. It also provides valuable advice on how to close sales effectively, get repeat customers, and increase your bottom-line profits. Apart from the main guide, WoodProfits offers a bonus of over 500 top-selling woodworking plans. This vast collection ensures that you'll never run out of projects to sell, making it easier for you to get started and grow your business. While the guide caters to both beginners and experienced woodworkers, it's important to note that success is not guaranteed. It requires dedication, hard work, and implementing the strategies provided in the guide. Those who are serious about making woodworking their business and willing to take action are more likely to find success with this program. To put it all together, WoodProfits offers a comprehensive package to start a home-based woodworking business. The guide claims to provide valuable insights and practical steps to help you turn your passion for woodworking into a profitable venture. In conclusion, WoodProfits seems promising for those interested in starting a woodworking business from home. However, as with any business opportunity, success depends on your commitment and effort. If you're passionate about woodworking and eager to turn it into a source of income, this guide could be a valuable resource to get you started. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and the link of the official website is down below in the description for more content like this. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you've tried WoodProfits yourself. Until next time, happy woodworking!